Hi, boys and girls, it's Mrs. Z. Yesterday, I told you that we are going to begin a research project. Research is when you find out more information about something that you're interested in and want to learn more about. You are going to be researching about animals. Yesterday, you viewed a slide with all of your choices. You saw a giraffe, a lion, elephant, and zebra, and you chose the one animal that you want to research and learn more about. Let's take a look at this part of the slide. It says research questions. By the end of the research project, this is the information that you are going to learn about your animal. Here are the questions. What does your animal look like? What is your animal's diet? This means what does the animal eat? What is your animal's habitat? This means where does the animal live? And what other interesting facts did you learn about your animals? This is the information that you're going to learn when you research your animal. So, as you're watching videos, listening to books, or reading books, keep your ears open for these facts. Today, I want to teach you how to use a website to research your topic. The website that we're going to be using is right here in this blue link, and you're going to see this link in many different places in our slideshow. The website is Kiddle, and it's just like Google. In fact, Google created it. It's a website that's made just for kids. So this is going to be a great resource to use, a great website to use to help us get the information that we need for our animals. So I'm going to go ahead and click the link. Oops. And here's the homepage for Kiddle. It looks just like Google. Here is the search bar. So do you see where the line is clicking? This is where you're going to type the words or the questions or the type of animal in this search bar. So, for example, let's pretend that I'm choosing to research about zebras. I'm going to type the word zebras. I don't know anything about zebras, and I really, really want to learn more information about zebras. That's the topic that I'm choosing to research. Now, in this toolbar, this is where you're going to type whatever it is that you want to research. So if your topic is elephant, then make sure that you have the word elephant nearby on a piece of paper so you can type in the letters. If your topic is giraffe, make sure that you have your topic written on a piece of paper beside you so that you can type in the letters. So I typed in zebra. I can type in zebra or zebras, it doesn't matter. Once I typed in my topic, I'm going to press the magnifying glass. This is my search. And this is the page that I was brought to. As you'll see, the first thing we see is this big gray box. Don't click any of the links in this gray box. These are advertisements. These are other random websites that won't give us the information we're looking for. So you'll most likely see this big gray box whenever you type something into your search bar. Just ignore that gray box. Don't click anything because it won't get you what you need to know. Scroll down. Ooh, this looks like information that would be more helpful. I can see right away that there are a lot of resources here to teach me about zebras. I see pictures of zebras and I see the word zebra a lot of times. So I can click any link. let me read some of the links for you. This is called Zebra Facts for Kids, National Geographic Kids, Fun Zebra Facts for Kids, interesting information about zebras. Ooh, I wonder if they have the information that I want to know, like its diet, its habitat. Zebra, San Diego Zoo Kids, Super Zebra Facts for Kids, Cool Kid Facts, Zebra Facts for Kids. So as I had just said, all of these links will bring me to some pages with information about zebras. I'm going to just go ahead and click the first link, Zebra Facts for Kids, National Geographic Kids. And I'm brought to a website. I'm brought to National Geographic Kids. Zebra Facts. How much do you know about these black and white beauties? So I can scroll down, and maybe by myself or with my grown-up, I can try to read, try to look for words that are familiar. I can look at pictures, right? We know how to look for nonfiction text features like a map, photographs. Maybe there are some labels. I see bold words. Remember, bold words are important words. So I can always have a grown-up read this website to me, or I can try to read things on my own. These are really big words. I have no idea what those words are, but hey, look, I see some words that look familiar, like diet. That was important. That was something that I'm supposed to learn by the end of my research project. What does my animal eat? And I see another important word, habitat. Hey, this is some good information. It says diet, herbivore. Habitat, grassland, so they live in the grass. I might not know what herbivore means, so I might go back to Kiddle and type that word in. So let me go back. That was a hard website because I couldn't really read I couldn't really read the words so well because there were a lot of big words. Let me see if I can try to find a video. Maybe a video would be helpful for me. Here's what you can do. You can scroll all the way up to Kiddle and see where it says web. Web is where you're probably going to get a lot of information that you have to read. But if you go all the way to the last option, it says videos. Let me click on videos. Wow, Zebra Kid video. That sounds appropriate. I can probably follow along with that. By looking at the pictures, it looks like that one might be the best choice for me. Let me click it.
Hey, kids. I'm Robert, the most famous zebra in the world. Okay. The most famous zebra in San Diego, and by far, the most handsome. People come to chat with me all the time at the San Diego Zoo Safari Park. But enough about me. I'd like to introduce you to my little cousin, Zari.
So I can sit here and listen to the rest of this video and see if they're going to give me some more information about zebras. Or if it's not so interesting, I can always go back and find a different video. Or I can go back to the web. Let's try fun zebra facts for kids. Interesting information about zebras. Wow, I see a lot of bullet points. These are all bullet points. There's a lot of information here. Zebras are part of the Equidae family, along with the horse and donkeys. Every zebra has a unique pattern of black and white stripes. Oh, hey, yeah, I need to know for my research project that zebras have black and white stripes. I need to know what they look like. So I'm going to search through the websites and any books that I might have to find out these research questions. What does my animal look like? What is my animal's diet? So that means what do they eat? Where do they live? And any other fun, interesting facts that I want to share. So again, this is the website Kiddle. I'll go back all the way back to the home page. Here's that home page. And you can type in anything in the search bar to help you learn more information about your topic. Maybe I wanted to know, what do zebras eat? I typed my question right in the search bar, and I'll click the magnifying glass and let's see if it comes up. I see some familiar links. I would click one of these links and see if I can find the answer to my question. Oh, hey, what do zebras eat? Let me click this link. I'm going to look for those keywords. What do zebras eat? Because that's what I wanted to know. I might have to scroll down. Oh, here we go. What do zebras eat? Zebras are herbivores. Herbivores are animals that eat plants. Zebras eat mostly grasses, but sometimes they will eat shrubs, herbs, twigs, and leaves. Ooh, that's the answer to my question, to my research question. I wanted to know about their diet. Zebras eat plants. Zebras eat grasses. So I'm going to write that down so I can remember that. So boys and girls, I'm going to close out of this website and go back to our slide. Whenever you see this website, this is a kid-friendly website, and you can use this to research your topic. So today I want you to just practice going onto Kiddle, typing in your animal, and just trying to scroll on your screen and click links. So today is just a practice day, practicing how to use the website. Tomorrow, you'll actually start to look for information on the website. Have fun.